What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to create drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Select the cell you would like the drop-down list to appear in. Once you have selected the cell, then select Insert in the top row, scroll all the way down to Drop-down and select it. Now you will have your drop-down list inserted. You can then add items to these lists. So we could add pending, in progress, and then to add another one, simply select add another item, and then we can add complete. We can then also add colors. So for pending, we could put red, in progress yellow, and green for complete. Once we have edited all of these, we simply hit done. Now if we go and select it, we have pending, in progress, and complete. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.